Hey guys, so I want to try out this bubble sheet mask with charcoal. I recently got this from one of our local store here. My friend said she has tried it before and it was good, so I decided to like give it a try. It said cleansing, nourishing. Okay, let me read the instruction. As soon as the mask come in contact with your skin, it starts to form. Warning: do not use on irritated or damaged skin. About contact with eyes: when the product comes into contact with the iris with water, I think. Okay, like I said, I haven't tried it before, so I'm just gonna see how it works. So I think says you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, it's summer here, and you know what that means. The weather is really hot, so I think my face needs a little pamper. You get? Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Let's see. So I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Like guys, no, I can't even look at myself in the mirror. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I look like, honestly. But how come my face is swollen? Like, I look very different. It said 10 to 15 minutes. I can't wait to take this off because I don't understand. Like, let me just continue waiting. Okay. So look at this now. I look like the other gender. What's this? Let me take this thing off. Yeah. Ah. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Wow. I think my face look a little more like awake. Yeah. Look like someone that have been sleeping. Yeah. Not there now. Like, this can be something that you can use to hydrate your skin once in a while. Like I said, I bought it in one of our local store here, so it was very cheap. It's not bad though. It's not bad. Like, look at my face now, a little more brighter than it was before. Honestly, it's not bad and nice. Look like my face just kind of like firm my face. I don't know if it just me, but this wasn't the way my skin looked before I decided to try this, because I've had it for over 2 weeks now. Fine, it's okay, honestly. And let's go ahead apply my face serum. It's actually a glow oil. I love it a lot. Also from that store, but I was so surprised to know that it was 100% natural, excellent, like no chemical whatsoever. It does its job perfectly well, like 100% excellent. It's no chemical inside, not chemical. I can't wait to go back to just go and get like 5 of it, because the bottle is very small. It's about, I think it's about 10 milliliters. Yeah, it's about 10 milliliters. Yeah, so it's very small. I'm gonna go back there, just get like 5, because it's quite rare to get a face serum that is 100% like organic, natural. You get, ever since I started using it, I've seen my face is always like, you know, glowing. I started using it. Seriously, this is not, nobody's telling me to promote this, so it's very good. Yeah, it's very good. So I think this video is getting long, and oh, okay, the cream I use is from this brand they call Sobiotic, yeah, Sobiotic. So this is their hydro aloe vera balm gel 24-hour moisturizer. I love this a lot. Moisturizing fresh. I love this. I love their brand too. I try to use natural products on my face. This brand, their product is like natural stuff. So yeah. So guys, let's call it a good night. Okay, I have other product that I bought. So I have this good mask, hydro gel mask, and I also bought this foot mask which I'm gonna be using for my foot. I'm gonna try it out, and then I'll come here to tell you guys what the to give my review. Like this, I've been using this for 2 weeks. Like, oh my god, the glow is nice. Yeah, look at that, see. Oh, I just want to share with you guys. Look at that glow now. Look. Bye guys.